Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Uber Eats gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar that appears at the top, type in www.ubereats.com and press enter on a keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Uber Eats account and go ahead and order the food that you'd like to purchase online and add it on your shopping cart. Now, once you're done with it, click open your shopping cart at the top right hand corner and click on go to checkout. You can easily redeem your gift card during the checkout page for Uber Eats. In the checkout page, scroll a bit down and right under where it says payment, click on the edit button right next to add payment method. You can add a debit or credit card, gift card, and PayPal for your payment method. Go and click on the gift card button in order to redeem a gift card that you have from Uber Eats. Type in your gift card number in the text box which appears at the back of your gift card and finally click on apply beneath in order to redeem your gift card online with Uber Eats. That is how it can be quickly done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.